Want to check your statistics on Duolingo but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to view and analyze your statistics on Duolingo. Let's get started. First, launch Duolingo on your device. Find the avatar icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you reach the statistics section. Here, you can track your streak count, total XP, current league status, and the badges you have earned. And that's how you check your statistics on Duolingo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.